This is a 2008 Ford Explorer, a big SUV for big fun. It features a 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, leather seats, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Mazda of Clear Lake is located at 20101 Gulf Freeway in Webster. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.